Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside Settings, go to Controls and tap Customize now. You must enter HUD Edit Mode. This is where the fire button can be repositioned or fixed. Tap the fire button once to reveal size, opacity, and lock options. Choose a comfortable spot near your thumb. Once done, make sure you do small movements to test reach, then press Save. This commits the layout. Doing this early prevents accidental character strafing when you tap fire during fights. You now fine-tune the button so it stops moving. Toggle the lock or anchor option for that control. This prevents shifting when you rotate or switch grips. Next, reduce size slightly and lower opacity if visual clutter causes thumb slip. Make incremental changes. Then move to the training area to test while sprinting, crouching, and aiming. If the button still shifts, repeat edits and reposition by millimeters. Small adjustments change feel more than big moves. You finish by saving the layout and validating it immediately in a short training session. This confirms the fire button stays put under real inputs. If movement persists, reset to default and redo the customization. Sometimes corrupted layouts cause drift. As a last resort, clear the app cache or update/reinstall Pubg Mobile. This fixes corrupted UI behavior. One key troubleshooting tip: if a third-party overlay or screen protector interferes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.